morning, guys. Actually, it's the afternoon now. It's 12:30 right now. I'm actually really cold. Oh my god, can you please shut up? I'm gonna put my glasses back on now, but I look disgusting with my glasses on, so love that for me. But I thought I would do a little vlog because I am leaving on Saturday and it is currently Thursday today, and I'm going to Brighton on Saturday for uni. I've got a shiny chin as well, so I thought I would do this little vlog as like a packing kind of video, showing you guys a few things that I've got and stuff. I don't really know, I have bought so much stuff over the last few days that I could literally do a whole nother vlog on it, but I'm not going to. Not vlog, video. I thought I'd just tell you what I'm doing, what I have done already the past few days, in order to prep to go to uni, basically. Oh my god, my chin is so shiny, I can't deal with it. So this is my current situation, guys. It's a bit of a mess. So basically, I went to town yesterday and I got a few bits, so I will show you that. And then I also went to Sainsbury's, hence why we've got all of this bags full of stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna give you a haul. So firstly, I got this from Sainsbury's actually. We have one of these in my bathroom now actually, but in white. But this one goes with my colour scheme of my room, the colour of the wood and all that. I thought these would be perfect because I have nowhere to put my makeup at the moment when I'm there. And I have nowhere to put like any bathroom stuff because there's literally no room for anything in the bathroom. I also got some really nice gifts from like my family and stuff, so yeah, really cute. I'll go through that with you. I am doing this kind of vlog style. I don't know if you guys are gonna like this or not, because obviously this is probably gonna like take a lot of time, so it's probably just gonna be a haul video really, but just like a vlog style haul, because I'm really not doing that much the rest of the day. All I've done this morning is wash my makeup brushes, which I really needed to do like so badly. Look how nice they look now. And I've done all my eye brushes as well. I haven't washed them in like 2 years, I swear, so they were disgusting. And yeah, I was so happy that I'd done that. I'm gonna give you a haul. First thing we did yesterday was go into town. So I got 3 things from town, so not too much. Also, I hope the lighting's okay right now. But I picked up this notebook from TK Maxx. It literally just says notebook on the front, and I just thought it was really cute, and it's just really easy to write in kind of thing. It's just white lined pages, but it's also got a bit at the top that says date, so you can write the date on each page. And it's just a really nice notebook, so I got that. It's $3.99. Then I saw this and I literally just had to get it. It's this really cute like sugar or like tea tin. I only got one because there was only one. And I'm gonna put my tea bags in here, I think, but it's just so cute. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's got a wooden top. It's just like pastel pink with like gold specks on it, which I love. This is all kind of a theme. So the next thing I got, which is wrapped up nicely, but I'm gonna unwrap it so I can show you guys. It is this mug. Now I have already got so many mugs, but I had to get this one. It was $2.99 and it is just like, it's just gorgeous. Like, it's pastel pink and it's got like a speckled bottom. I love it, so yeah. And then I'm gonna go through a few presents I got. So I got some money from my nan and granddad, and then my sister got me a really cute little present. She wrote on it a few uni essentials. She got me this set from WH Smith, which is really cute. It's literally got everything in it. I'm gonna try and speed up what I'm saying because this is gonna take forever, and I've already spent 5 minutes just talking about 3 items. So yeah, really cute set from WH Smith. And she got me these adorable push pins. They're literally like all pastel coloured. I don't know if you can see that. I can't be bothered to let it focus, so yeah, but they're really cute push pins. And she got me this notebook. Like, the thing is, I really wanted some more notebooks, but I couldn't find any that I liked because I'm very specific with my notebook, and she literally found the most perfect one ever. So it's this marble one. You guys know I love marble, and it's got, I think that's gold, not rose gold, but it's got like gold foiling that says take note, and the pages are pink on the inside, which is really cute, and they're just lined, but because it's a spiral bound notebook and there's so many pages in there, this is like perfect for me, so I love that notebook. And then she got me this gin, which is super cool. You shake it up and it's like, it goes shimmery, and it's like the shimmery gin. Like, how cool is that? It says the Infusionist. It's like a violet gin, basically. I don't know what it tastes like, so hopefully that will taste nice, but it's really pretty anyway. And then of course she got me some pasta, because you need pasta if you're going to uni. So then I got this cute bag. So this is from my mum and her boyfriend. I got this really cute little statue thing. I'm not going to get it out actually. I I don't know if you can see it on there, but it's called Love of Learning. So it's just like this little statue and she's holding a book, and yeah, it's really cute. It's got like a whole explanation about it and stuff. It says open books, open minds. So yeah, really cute. And I got a cute little notebook that says to my daughter on it and all that, and it's really cute. So yeah, and I got one of these really cool university survival kits. I love these kind of little things where it tells you kind of what everything kind of means, and it's got just like a load of like random stuff in there, but they all have like meanings on why it's like part of the university survival kit. So I love that. And there's this cute little, I don't know if you can see that, like a little case thing that says good luck at university, and it says lucky sixpence, and it's got a little lucky sixpence in there, so that's cute. And this, which has got like a big like explanation on it, but it says a bag of blessings to wish you good luck at uni, and it's got like little stones in there which like mean different things, which is really cute. I also got this little book which is also really cute. It says how to survive university and essential pocket guide, and I've actually read like all of this now, and it's so good and so helpful. I actually love this. I will definitely be bringing all of this with me. And then I was very, very lucky and I got a little bracelet from my mum too. And yeah, it's just this bangle here, and it's from the Disney Aladdin collection. So on it, it says never lose your sense of wonder, which is really cute, and I've literally wanted that bangle for like ages since it came out, so I love that. Have we already been talking for 9.5 minutes? I don't even know. But then guys, I have just got a whole bunch of food shopping, so I'm gonna run you through quickly what I've got. In this one, I've got a big old bag of pasta. I've got some noodles. I've got a stir-in pasta sauce because I'm lazy. It's just the tomato and basil one. I've got some tuna. I've got one of these which I actually had the other day. It's it's actually like a steam pot, so you know, it's one of them where you just pour hot water in, but normally I hate them kind of things, and this one was actually really nice. So this is a tuna pasta basically with tomato. We've got tuna, like I said, noodles, baked beans, tomato soup and super noodles. Very healthy, as we can see. Full of carbs, love that. Then in this bag we've got a big old bag of Quavers. They've got like smaller packs inside them, it's not just a big bag of Quavers. I've got my favourite cereal, which is Cookie Crisp. I've got some ketchup. We've got some lovely cloths, dustering cloths. Got an air freshener, some lemon squash, because if you know me, you know I love lemon squash. A bottle of vodka, just a big bottle because I thought that will then last me and stuff. And then I've also got a big bottle of lemonade. Another bag. In this bag we've got some salted tortilla crisps, just because I thought that would be nice to have, like if we're all together, like sat in the kitchen or whatever, having like pre-drinks. Like it's nice to have a big bag like that which you can like share between you. So I got that. I've got some cloths here, which is like kitchen cloths, you know what I mean, like yeah, that you wet. I've got my favourite mint tea, got kitchen roll and toilet paper, and I've also got some paper straws because I have to drink out of straws, like I am just that girl. In this bag we have got some tissues, like box tissues. Also got, right, okay, this was actually a thing, like probably the most unnecessary expensive thing that I bought, but it's just one of them homely things, and you just, yeah. So I got cling film, but I got the one with the case, so like it's easy for you to break off, because I can't break off cling film, like I'm useless at it. So we have this one at home which you like just pull it out and then you just press down the lid and it just snaps it off for you, and so I got that too. And now I have the case, I don't have to buy it ever again, so I mean, it's just me being me. Then we've got some normal tea bags, we've got some sugar, I've got 3 packets of paracetamol actually, and a packet of ibuprofen, you know, can never be too careful. Then we've got some mayonnaise, some bin liners. Now I didn't know like whether they provide like black bin bags or anything for like the kitchen. I assume they would, because like otherwise we'd all be bringing like big things of bin bags. So I don't really know, but I got some little white ones for my bin in my room. and yeah, that's what I'll just have to use from now on. I got some more mayonnaise, like I said. Got some Galaxy counters, hopefully they won't melt. I got some toothpaste, some digestive biscuits because we're unhealthy, and some breakaway biscuits because we're unhealthy. But I thought this will be nice to snack on in my room, and these I can take with me to like campus. I also got these because I love them and they were on offer. They're the Fibre One 90 calories for 4 milk chocolate popcorn bars. I got 2 of them. They're amazing. They've got like popcorn, pretzels and chocolate, and they're only 90 calories each. So I love them. I mean, that could be quite bad to be fair, but honestly, like, do I care? Not really. Me live my life. One last bag, and I got a loofah because I always use these, and so I thought I better get a new clean one because mine was disgusting now. I got some of the liquid laundry capsules because we got recommended to get these. Got my Simple Replenishing Rich Moisturiser because I needed some more. I also got my Simple Face Makeup Removal Wipes because again I needed some more. I got some washing up liquid. I got the winter spice one though, so it's gonna be all festive now. Although I'm just thinking we could just share one of these, couldn't we, in the flat, because otherwise we're all gonna have like individual washing up liquid. I didn't even think of that. But then I've got some multi-purpose spray cleaner so I can use that in the kitchen and in my bathroom. And then we got some fabric conditioner. I got some hand soap. This is the Love Hearts one. So cute. Still got some hand cream because I do love my hand cream. And I got some shampoo. I think I've still got some conditioner left, so I didn't get any of that. Got some razors. I just use these reusable ones, not reusable ones. Ones where you throw it, like, yeah, you know, the cheap ones. I got some more sponges because I wasn't sure if the IKEA ones had like a rough edge to it, if you get what I mean. So yeah, why the hell? Because I've been filming for 16 minutes, it's now gone red. It turns out it actually stops recording when it goes red, so there we go. At least we watched that happen. And then I got some cotton buds and some bleach for the toilet, and I think that is it. I also got a new Hoola bronzer yesterday because I really needed a new one because mine has literally completely hit pan and I've had it for like 4 years now. So I really wanted a new one because it's the only bronzer contour I will use. I also got that, and I got a new foundation because my one literally completely ran out yesterday. Not yesterday, like a couple of days ago. So I got the Bourjois Healthy Mix one again. And that was literally everything that I got yesterday. Obviously for the like food shop and all that, I've still got fridge stuff to buy and like bread and like fresh stuff. I think my window is broken. Oh my god, that's so weird. Yeah, so I've still got a lot of stuff to obviously buy. So yeah, I'm gonna buy that when I'm there, like fruit and veg and things like that, and bread, like I said, and cheese and butter and eggs, you know. I'm gonna have like no cupboard space, I'm very much aware of that, so my room's probably gonna be like half kitchen as well. Everything, we've just kind of got random stuff down here. Half of it's already at my dad's, and yeah, exciting times. So honestly, I think I'm gonna leave this vlog here because it's just gonna be so long if I actually like continue vlogging. So it's just kind of like a vlog style haul video basically. But I think that would be quite nice for some of you guys to watch. I made a to-do list today and all I have left to do, I need to put some more washing on downstairs because I want it all washed before tomorrow so then mum can iron it for me. Ready for when I go. I also wanted to just sort through my clothes and decide what things I'm going to bring and what things I'm not going to bring, but just kind of put it to the centre of my wardrobe or whatever, and then the other things I don't want to bring like to the side. Also, I'm going to wash my hair tonight and I'm going to tan and do my eyebrows as well. So I'm all ready, I'm prepped, and then I'm going to shave tomorrow, although it's probably better of me to shave tonight, isn't it, before I tan rather than after I tan. Yeah, it's probably a better idea. But yeah, so that is what I'm doing. So the plan for tomorrow is that I'm going to be packing all day with my mum here. So yeah, I've got so much to do, honestly. There's nothing that I can really do now. Tomorrow night, I'm obviously going to say goodbye to my mum, which is very sad. And I'm going to go round to my dad's. So he's going to pick me up because obviously I'm not bringing my car to uni, so I'm leaving that here. So my dad's going to pick me up. We're going to load up his car with all my stuff. and then I'm gonna go back to his, have dinner around there, and then we're gonna just pack things up a little bit better because I left the bubble wrap round his, so I'm gonna bubble wrap some things up and box things up a little bit better, and then we're just gonna pack the car up tomorrow night because we are then leaving at half seven or around about that time anyway in the morning on Saturday. So yeah, exciting time. Obviously I will be doing a moving vlog. You will see that after this video because this video is actually going up on Sunday, so you will, yeah, I will already be in when you're watching this, which is crazy. I think I'm gonna start probably the moving vlog tomorrow night or something like that, or if not I'll just do it on Saturday morning, but I don't know how well it's gonna go, how much footage I'm gonna get, but we're gonna try our best, so get ready for that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this video here for you guys. I gave you just a little bit of a haul, a little bit of I don't know, but I'm really excited. So yeah, and my camera's like overheating right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below if you're moving this weekend as well, if you've just moved into your uni block or wherever, and whereabouts you also are studying. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video in Brighton. Also make sure to check out my social media, which is on the screen now. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you very, very soon in Brighton. Bye!
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.